I did Sue's wonderful eBay training course and started selling on eBay, and now I've got all my products on eBay, which has just been fantastic. So rather than me answering that, I thought it'd be better to defer to Sue. Sue, again, one of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. She's been with us for a long time, makes a ton of money on eBay, also makes good money on Amazon as well. Her Amazon business is going from strength to strength, and she's just joined me as an Amazon coach. So she'll be soon be doing coaching and mentoring for people who are wanting to build their Amazon businesses, just like Kate does. So if you're interested in finding out a little bit more about that, then do email me. So I will give you my opinion of that. All right, so my opinion of that is that there are more similars than differences between the two platforms, and that for me was a massive revelation. As far as pros go, in Australia, as of right now, more people go to eBay than go to Amazon. So there's a very strong argument to be said that if you're selling on eBay, you'll actually make more sales than you would do if you just sold on Amazon alone. Okay, so there's a very strong argument to be said between that. Also, with Amazon, you get the warehousing and you get FBA. So Amazon does logistics better than anybody else in the world. They have really understood the logistics process, and you don't get that with eBay. You don't get the logistical side of things done so well. You don't get FBA, for instance, with eBay. Like you do with Amazon. So that's a point definitely in Amazon's favor. I will say as well, anecdotally, that there is a market perception of a difference between the quality of products sold on eBay versus the quality of products sold on Amazon. And so there is, I think, as well, an argument to be made, an anecdotal argument at least, that if you're selling something that is a higher price point, Amazon is the primary way to go, although you should have on both. But if you're selling something of a lower price point, eBay is the way to go. So you could also make that anecdotal argument as well. But as far as actual differences goes, I think that there isn't much in it. FBA is a big one. In my experience, Amazon also handles a lot more of the customer service related things than eBay does. Handles that, I think, as well better than eBay does. You tend to find that you'll have to do more in your eBay business on a day-to-day basis than you do in your Amazon business on a day-to-day basis. However, the fact that currently at least more people go to eBay than Amazon in Australia ought to tell you that it's folly not to sell on both. It ought to tell you that it's folly not to sell on both. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business. And the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon. And indeed, Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.